Ang sarap ng donut. Gusto ko pang kumain ng marami. Parang sarap ng Lembon barbecue ngayon, no? Tsaka only rice ng Mang Inasal. Sarap ng tulog na ito, ah. Oh, late na. Dog, bangon. Don't give in. Dog, bangon! Kaya mo yan. Just fucking go, man. Bro, please, bangon. Chasing greatness, di ba? Di ba? Let's fucking go. Hi dog, so kita nyo naman yung mukha ko, medyo pwede bang pagprituhan o adobohin. Pero wala tayong pag sa mga haters. Gusto ko lang sabihin na ito yung day 3, week 2 ng Chasing Greatness. Sama natin ngayon si Mama Dog. What's up, ma?
What's up, dog?
You gon' be better, fuck out of my mind. You on my mind and you on my time. It's 2 on the clock and I choke on the rock and those cheeks, man, it's pissing me off. Fuck, 6 on the tab, those on the talk and the soft. And this boy, maybe it's all my fault. Only talk about prescriptions, tonal devices. My headband is crimson. I'm gonna be better. Lock me up in panic.
Gusto yung jog mo, ma? Gusto yung jog mo?
Okay naman, pagod, pero good naman good.
5K run. Hindi ko nare-recommend tumakbo tapos makinig kay Taylor Swift. No. It's a big no-no. Akala ko yung sadness mag-fuel sa akin pero plano ko 7K. Napatigil ako na 5K. And of course, don't forget to hydrate yourself tuwing tumatakbo.
Sunny days are over and I'm falling for the pavement. I hope that you were close when I was in my basement. Kind of passing slowly now.
And dahil kasama natin si Mama, busuin na natin ang pag-grocery. Ma. Ma.
Wrap me in the jacket, then put me in the casket. Did it to myself and I'ma act like I'm the victim.
And of course today, tuturuan ko kayo paano gumawa ng mana potion. Dito sa mana potion na to, si Pork nagturo sa akin. Shoutouts to my boy Kevin Porkspin, yes sir. Anyways, ito na yung kailangan nyo dyan. Soy milk na galing dun sa pinag-grocery natin kasama si Mama. And also frozen berries, strawberries and raspberries. Wala nang blueberries unfortunately. So, paghaluin lang natin yan lahat dito. Oh, shit. Yan. Lamig. Lamig ng frozen berries. Malamig pa sa puso ng ex mo. Joke lang. Don't worry, malinis yung kamay ko guys. Nag-wash ako ng kamay. Kagabi. And then, soy milk. Kayo nang bahala, gano'ng rami gusto nyo. Hindi ko din alam, ginagawa ko lang to kasi sinabi ni Pork, save daw eh. By the way, naka-intermittent fasting ako ngayon. So 16 hours fasting, then 8 hours window ng kain. Ano yung ginagawa ko ngayon. And close this up. Ano yung nag-aalam? Okay. Alright. Nakita nyo naman sa vid, shit, nag-brown out. Ang init ngayon, abot singit. Whew! Ay, ngayon ng power ulit. So, magagawa na natin yung smoothie. Approximately 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Nawala. Oops, ayaw mag... Sarap. And that is how you make your mana potion. Pampalakas tumakbo. Ata. Sana. Mm. Mm. And for this week's Chasing Greatness, naka 5K lang ako. Well, still naka 5,000 kilometers pa rin ako ngayon. So, beat that, boy. Sunday na ngayon. Paano ba tatalunan yung 5K kilometers ko? Beat that, boy. Joke. Pero, medyo busy lang kasi transition ng bagong sked sa work. Bawi na ako next week. So, see you ulit, okay? Next week. Mana Potion. And syempre, huwag na yung kakalimutan na today is your day. Do something amazing, okay? See you ulit next week, ha? Sunday. Same time, or maybe a little late.
This friendship